Hello and welcome to A Journey to Mindfulness. My name is Laetitia and today I'll be your guide through a very relaxing guided meditation. So when you are ready to start, please find a comfortable and quiet spot where you are sure to not be disturbed. Take a few seconds here to make yourself fully comfortable and supported. We just want to begin by resting back very comfortably. Just rest back in the way that is most comfortable for you. And as you settle comfortably, there will be an opportunity for you to become even more comfortable and to experience a relaxed state very easily and very gently and very comfortably. And when you are ready, you may want to shut your eyes, knowing that you can open them again whenever you want to. And as you rest, you can begin noticing the feelings and sensations in your body as they are right now. Just notice some of the sensations that you can be aware of right now. For instance, as you keep listening to me, you may become aware of the sensations as you breathe. Noticing, for example, that the sensations are different when you breathe in and breathe out. Just notice those feelings as you breathe in and breathe out and fill your lungs. And then notice the sense of release as you breathe out. And now I'd like to invite you to concentrate particularly on the feelings in your toes and your feet. Just allow all the muscles and fibers in your toes and your feet to become very deeply relaxed. Perhaps even picturing what they would look like for all those little muscles and tissues to soften, to relax loosely and deeply. Allowing yourself to get the kind of feeling you have when you take off a pair of tight shoes that you've had on for a long time. And you can just let go of all the tension in your toes and your feet and feel the relaxation spread. Now imagine that this comfort and relaxation is beginning to spread and flow like a gentle river of relaxation upward through your ankles and all through your calves. Letting go here of all the tension in your calves, allowing them to deeply and restfully and comfortably soften and relax. And allow that comfort to continue flowing upward into your knees and behind your knees and through your knees and into your thighs, letting go of all the tension in your thighs. Perhaps once again imagining what that might look like for all those large muscles and tissues to become soft and loose and deeply relaxed. And maybe already noticing that sense of gentle heaviness in your legs as they just sink down limply and comfortably. And continue to allow that comfort to flow and spread upward at its own pace and speed into the middle part of your body, flowing into your tummy, through your hips and into your lower back, letting that soothing deep comfort spread inch by inch through your body, spreading from muscle group to muscle group, gradually, progressively flowing into your chest, into your back, between your shoulder blades and into your shoulders. Just allow all the tension to loosen and flow away, as if somehow just the act of breathing is increasing your comfort. As if somehow every breath you take is just draining the tension out of your body, taking you deeper and deeper into comfort with every breath you take. And allow that comfort to flow into your neck and throat. Perhaps imagining once again what that would look like for all of the little fibers and muscles in your neck and throat to deeply, softly, comfortably relax and soften. Let that relaxation sink deep into your neck. And it can gradually flow up your neck, up into your scalp, and all out across your scalp. As if it's just bathing your head with waves of comfort and relaxation. And that relaxation can flow down into your forehead, and like a gentle wave down across your face, into your eyes, your cheeks, your mouth, your jaw, allowing those tissues and muscles to drop down, slack, soft, and relaxed. And now allow that comfort to flow back down your neck and across your shoulders and down into your arms. Letting that comfort flow down your arms, through your elbows, through your wrists, through your hands and fingers, right down through your fingertips. Letting go of all the tension and tightness. Letting go of all the stress, the strain, all through your body. Just allowing your body to rest and relax. And now that you've had this chance to relax, to just be, you know what it feels like to experience this lovely state of deep relaxation. And I want you to know that you can feel this relaxed again whenever you want. You can just shut your eyes and remember this feeling of deep relaxation whenever you want to enjoy these same feelings again. You can remain here a little bit longer. But if you feel ready, you can gently open your eyes and feel safely back in the room. Gently coming back into the world. Thank you very much for sharing the practice with me today. If you enjoyed it, do not hesitate to give me a thumbs up or to leave me a little comment. It would be much appreciated. Feel free to share any thoughts or feeling. And I hope to see you for another practice. You have a beautiful day.